Trigger framework avoids duplicating code and leads to cleaner, more maintainable codebases. We can have better control on the order of execution of multiple triggers on the same object. This prevents potential conflicts and ensures that triggers execute in a predictable sequence. We have implemented individual handler method which uses interface methods. We can enable or disable trigger execution using custom metadata entries in disabled for custom metadata specific to user. Only if we need to bypass trigger execution, metadata records needs to be created. Here, metadata record for a user is created to bypass execution of trigger handler. We can use metadata handler commonly in all as object trigger syntax. This metadata handler uses metadata and calls the respective handler based on the S object. When having multiple trigger handlers, we can set the order of execution in the custom metadata record. Use cases. When performing the initial data load into a newly created Salesforce org, bypassing triggers can avoid unnecessary trigger execution, as the data may already be in the desired state. When cloning records or during sandbox refresh or when making mass updates to records via the Salesforce user interface API, bypassing triggers can help avoid unnecessary trigger execution and improve performance.